Global warming is a huge problem. The planet is warming and it's hurting the environment. The heat is melting from the glaciers and sea ice, shifting precipitation patterns and setting animals on the move. Global warming is causing droughts, and we have a lot more wildfires from the droughts. People often think that global warming and climate change as the same thing, but they are different problems. Global warming is caused by humans. We burn fossil fuels that pump carbon dioxide, methane, and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Climate scientists have stated that we must limit global warming if you are wanting to avoid a future that will have devastating effects, like extreme drought, wildfires, floods, and tropical storms. Global warming is caused by greenhouse gases being in the atmosphere that absorb sunlight and solar radiation that have bounced off the Earth's surfaces. Normally, the radiation would go into space, but since our greenhouse gases have been worse than ever from deforestation, they cause climate change. The forests collect carbon dioxide and in return help the environment. But since our forests are being destroyed, we have done nothing but harm ourselves. Our environment needs help, and the only way for that to happen is for us to help it. Even from a political standpoint, if Donald Trump were to build a wall, imagine the effect on the environment. They would damage the soil and cause so many more issues. Donald Trump referred to global warming as a joke. This issue is very real. The environment needs change. The global warming causes extreme weather like heat waves, drought, heavy rainfall, and powerful hurricanes.